Ladies and gentlemen, today for review on Dubious Engineering, we have a headlamp. Well, let's just very quickly turn it on. Ooh, look at that. So we've got a couple of different brightness settings. We have a red light in order to reduce the amount of night vision issues, a flashing red light for emergency situations, and then it turns off. And the good thing is this unit here rotates on a swivel, so you can angle this light in any direction you like. Now, in the box, there are a couple of self-adhesive magnetic discs. The reason for that is this is a magnetic light. So if you've got somewhere where you don't have metal work and you want to regularly place this lamp, then these little discs are really useful. What else do we have in the box? We have a headband. And the idea, if you look here, there's a couple of little slits here. And the idea is you slide this headband into the slits. And as you'll see later on in the video, I have actually had a little bit of trouble with this, in the sense that whenever I come to take it off my head, it just sort of pops out of the slits just a little bit too easily. But aside from that, this is indeed a very, very useful headlamp. I would say it's about the size of an 18650, so hopefully there's an 18650 in there. The battery lasts for quite a while. It's USB-C. Build quality wise, it's all plastic. There's no real metal work in here, but it is solid plastic, and the switch is a good size switch. And as I say, the battery lasts for quite a while. There's an indicator on the top of it here that shows you about approximately what charge is left in the battery. Not bad at all for a headlamp. Anything specific on the box? Quality assurance precautions. It cannot direct light eyes so as not to damage the eyes. I'm loving this. Let's get into this. When the lamp or tail cap twist pour, make a little grease applied at the interface. Yeah, I think this is just a generic box, really, because if you look at this, it's a two-part unit. There is no tail. Oh, look at this. Oh, I didn't realize it did that. So you can angle this, and it's even got like a little serrated... Oh, it gets better and better. And I was about to finish the video. It gets better and better. So look at that. Yes, it's got a ratcheted ability to be able to... Right, let's just pop that off then. Yeah, no, it's definitely... So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on this. It's by LeTour. Alrighty ho, folks, I have found the instruction manual for this. So this is a LeTour magnetic cob work light, and it says here, short press, long press, compact size, battery level indicator, light modes. We have white light, red light, is USB Type-C charging. The battery capacity, I think this is the important thing here, the battery capacity is 1200 milliamp hours. It says between 4 and 8 hours of use, which is good enough. But yeah, quite a cool light. Not bad at all, well done, good job. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, as always, thank you ever so much for watching Dubious Engineering. I do hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week and weekend. We've got a few other lights coming to us in the very near future. Some really cool lights. And I have a new battery for the camper van as well. So we've got some really cool projects coming up. Stick with us, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers and biz, folks. Bye for now. Oh, look at that. So, yeah, you can walk around with a light on top of your head. Does a pretty good job. So, oh, crikey, that's a bit bright. Actually, there's brightness settings. Hang on. Oh, that's off. Right, there you go. That's slightly lower. There we go. So that's slightly lower. Then, that's much better. Look at that. And it doesn't ruin your your night vision so much. Woohoo!